Yo, what's up, guys? This is not good. Our portfolio is absolutely tanking. At the very end of the day, when the market closed, we were up 1.5%, but now we are down 1.5%. So we've basically fallen 3% since that peak. Stocks are absolutely falling in the after hours market. We just had the Trump tariff news. And also, let me compare that to the S&P 500 or the QQQs. What are they down year to date? So the Qs are actually now down 11.48% year to date. That's actually crazy. What are we down year to date? So we are down but yeah, we are down 8% year to date. So our portfolio has is not done too great. And also, we have our Mumu portfolio. If you look in the very middle of my screen, I'm only up $38 all time. Now, luckily, I have been building up some cash. I have $1,000 of cash, and I also just bought a brand new stock here in my Mumu portfolio, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Now, if they were not down 6% after hours, we would be up 6% on Amazon. But yeah, we literally bought this stock at 185. Well, right now, if you look in the after hours market, it is 183. So yeah, we are now down on our Amazon position. I'm actually looking to buy a little bit more of them. I guess at the end of the day, for us long-term investors, you now get to buy all the high-quality stocks that you probably couldn't have before because the valuation was too high. Well, now all these extremely quality companies are back down to reasonable valuations. Like, look at Google. How are they down 20% year to date? I mean, that's overdoing it, in my opinion. Here's my total percent change on every stock. We're down 7% on Google. And surprisingly, the only other stock we're red on is Constellation Energy. We're only up 11% on Meta, dude. Yeah, so I hope the market doesn't get too much more red. Oh yeah, here's also our Roth IRA. I've been buying some stocks here in my Roth IRA. I've really changed up my IRA, by the way. So here is it currently. Since I bought Amazon in my Mumu portfolio, I actually sold Amazon for my Roth IRA. So yeah, these are the stocks we now own in my Roth. I got Dillard's, Innodata, and Kroger. And I'll do a separate video about Dillard's, but I also want to real quick go over why I'm so bullish on Amazon right here. They actually made a bid to buy TikTok today, but which would be very synergistic if they were actually able to acquire them. But here's what I really like about Amazon. Look at how diversified that they are. So 38% of the revenue comes from their online stores, then their third-party seller services fees. Oh, and look at just their AWS business, their Amazon Web Services. This is the most valuable part, super high margin and super high growth. It's literally up 19% year over year. Yeah, if we go to this on an annual basis, it's literally over $100 billion of annual revenue for Amazon. So that's what's so cool about them. Then they have their advertising. They're now an advertising business. 9% of the revenue comes from advertising. And then their subscription, the Amazon Prime subscription, it's all reoccurring, great for them. And also, here's the main reason why I love Amazon. They're printing net income. They literally made 20 billion of net income in the most recent quarter, and that's real. It wasn't some like weird one-time adjustment. If we go back to 2022, I had a rough time buying this stock because look, they were even losing money sometimes. They were losing billions a quarter sometimes. But now this company has really turned things around, and they're heavily investing in the future. So here's their cash from operating activities was 45 billion, but look at how much they're investing in the future, 37 billion just in the most recent quarter. So that's kind of why their free cash flow has gone down. Yeah, if you go to their free cash flow, it was actually only 17 billion but yeah, a huge $17 billion, but it was down 36%. That's because they're just investing so heavily in the future. So that's what I really like about Amazon. Let me know what you think. The valuation, especially the forward PE on Amazon, looks pretty fair. By the way, this app I'm using right here is called Mumu. If you want to download it, I have an affiliate link in the comments or the description below. I'd appreciate if you sign up with my link. If you deposit $100, you get the 4.10% APY. And here's a cool feature they just added. You can see Nancy Pelosi's portfolio. Nancy Pelosi's been up to some stuff. She's been buying PayPal, Comcast, Disney. You can see Nvidia's portfolio. Literally, Nvidia owns some individual stocks. Look at this absolute pump and dump. Stay away from this Chinese stock. But Nvidia took a stake into WeRide. Stock goes up to $44. Now it's back down to 13, and they're down another bit more after market. But anyway, yeah, the quantum computing stocks, literally my favorite quantum stocks are Google and IBM. These companies have the money and the talent to be the industry leader for quantum. In my opinion, a really popular quantum stock is QBTS, for example, and this one's one of the better performing quantum stocks. Well, here's why, I just can't buy this one. I mean, if we go to the revenue right here, the revenue was literally $2 million. I get it's going to grow in the future, but the revenue was only $2 million, down 20%, and they just lost $86 million. So yeah, anyway, I like Google, Honeywell, IBM. Those are some cool quantum names. All right, so check this out. This is where the market's kind of scaring me right now. So check out under the market cap of Apple, for example, right under the market cap, you can see the after hours movement. Apple is down 7% after hours. I mean, You take 7% off a $3.3 trillion company, they just lost hundreds of billions in market cap, which is very crazy. Like, did Apple really get affected? I thought they were kind of exempt. I don't know. Again, like Amazon, they shouldn't be too, they'll definitely be affected by tariffs, but only 38% of the revenue comes from their online stores as we just checked out. I just bought them. I'm probably biased on Amazon. I like the fundamentals so much there. Google's down 3, like Meta, for example. Meta's down 5. You know, most of the revenue comes from their Instagram and Facebook advertising revenue. So I don't know if tariffs will really affect Meta, but maybe the advertising revenue will stop over there. I don't know. Yeah, Tesla's down 6.5. Literally all the big names are down. Walmart's down 6.5. That's crazy. So now, in my opinion, is the time where maybe you can finally buy these high quality names. Maybe you sell off one of your lesser quality stocks that you only bought because you couldn't buy the high quality names because they were so overvalued. But now the overvalued great companies are finally in buy the dip territory. So let me know what you think. What are you buying? Dang, look at this. I feel bad if you own Nike. Look at Nike. They're down 7%. They almost went to $59. Look at that. They were at $60.04. Wow. That would put them like, oh my goodness. Here's the thing, if you look at the forward PE ratio on Nike, the forward PE is still a 30. So I'm being careful with Nike. I really love that company. I really do. And I feel bad. I sold that company recently. And check out our Moo portfolio real quick. We are down $100 all time in here. We're down 2.5% on the day. Right as the market closed, we were up quite a bit. But I mean, this is really like scary almost. I mean, look, actually, this is why I like having some real estate investment trusts like CubeSmart, for example. They're actually up after hours. Bonds are going up. So basically, what we confirmed today was that interest rates are probably coming lower, and lower interest rates should help out CubeSmart, McDonald's, all the real estate investment trust companies. Another stock that was weirdly up is Perion Network, or I guess they just haven't fallen too much after hours. Maybe the volume's so low that tomorrow they will be down more after hours. But yeah, they sent every single one of my stocks down. Dang, they're down to $316 again, dude. I can't wait to buy more comfort system stocks. So yeah, I have $1,000 of cash. I'm ready to buy the dip. Tomorrow, I might even spend this cash. I'll let you know when I buy a new stock. I always try and let you know on the channel. I'd like being completely transparent. If you have any comments for me, let me know. Like, as you know, my most recent purchase was Amazon. I like being transparent. Let me know what y'all think about this. And I don't know how I feel about this, but I actually sold out of Disney to buy Amazon. I was kind of thinking to myself, which one would I rather own forever for the long run? Would I rather own Disney or Amazon? And after doing a lot of thinking, I decided to sell out of Disney and buy Amazon. And I'm pretty happy with that decision right now. I would prefer, to just see Disney rally. I want to see Disney do good, and I might even buy back into them. That I might actually do. I might actually consider buying back into Disney. Hopefully, once they go lower. I mean, if we do go into recession, people won't go to their parks and stuff. But I like their streaming service business. But thank you so much for watching the video. We had a huge red day today, so it'd mean a lot to me if you drop a like on the video. It'd make my day. So anyway, see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a good one. Good luck out there.